We said, we did this analysis yesterday on our Euro GBP, and we said something that, which is market should definitely just give us a new low, right? That was our prediction, and we are still going to be standing on what we predicted yesterday. So, but before that, make sure you subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. If you've not done that yet, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so that once we drop an update instantly, you will get the update. So when you take a look at your Euro GBP, it is very clear that Euro GBP is on a downtrend move. So this is our low that Euro GBP was able to give us, and here comes the higher low. Sorry, the lower high. Then here is the new lower low, and here is our lower high. Market was able to drop again to form a new lower low, and here comes the lower high. Market eventually drop one more time to form a new lower low, and here comes the lower high. Now that we've gotten this lower high, right, our next movement on Euro GBP should form a new lower low. So guys, a new lower low is what we should be expecting on our Euro GBP, and that new lower low should drop to a level of 0.685. So we should be expecting market to drop to this level, which is 0.86580. So that's our next level. We should be expecting Euro GBP to drop to a level of 0.86580. Once it can adjust and tap that level, I'll make sure I give you guys an update on what you should be expecting next on Euro GBP.